Hey everyone, got a pretty neat topic to discuss in this video. I discussed it in the comments section with a viewer within the last week or so, I would say. And today we're going to be comparing a plow truck, RC plow truck, to Kyosho Blizzard or a track type vehicle. And these are simply my thoughts, my opinions, so you don't have to listen if you don't want to, and go your own way. I'm not telling you to go one way or the other, but here's what I think. So starting out, plow truck, I would say that's a really good option. If you're in the hobby, like I imagine you probably already are in the hobby if you're comparing these two possibly, I would recommend, if you're going to be plowing, a scale truck. A trail truck, a scale truck, a crawler, whatever you want to call them. They're built for slower speeds. Once you get kind of more metal upgrades, they get to be heavier, which is good. If you're gonna be doing this, you're probably gonna have a winter setup. This truck runs practically no suspension in the front end because this plow is heavy, and when you lift it, I don't need the suspension to be sagging all sorts of directions. So that's what I got going on for this. You don't need to have that dedicated setup. This is a Trail Finder 2, by the way. If you're looking to plow, I would absolutely recommend this platform. It's heavy. It's with my modifications I've made. It's got a really solid mount. Feels like a solid truck, plowing in high range, good speed with a 45 turn motor, which is what I run, and good truck overall. The pros and cons of running a snowplow truck is that you can't go through really deep snow. Basically what happens is you get into the snow, and the tires, once you start spinning those tires really fast, kicks all the snow out, and all the weight goes onto like the axles and the chassis, so you get no traction. You're just stuck there. There's really nothing you can do, especially once you have this plow on the front that's stuck in the snow. So I would say a good, I've plowed where it's deeper than the plow, maybe 3 inches. You have to work, so to speak. You have to work to plow that much snow, but it will get it done. Really, the good amount of snow for plowing with these is a light 1 or 2 inches, or less for that matter. I like to plow like that 1 inch powder. That's really fun to plow. I absolutely love plowing with a plow truck. It's simple. I run this pistol grip radio, 3-position switch to control the blade, and I usually just leave the truck in high range all the time. Solid platform. Kyosho Blizzard. Alright, this is really good if you want to go kind of off of your hard packed surface. This is you're kind of plowing into like hills or plowing in rough terrain. That's where this really shines over the plow truck. See, this works really well on hard surfaces like your driveway or your deck, but when you get into the grass where the snow is going to be deeper, genuinely, or just softer terrain where the snow is deep, the tracks create a lower ground pressure, so they float over it much easier, and it doesn't sink in and get stuck like this as easily. The problem with this is when you're plowing a really smooth hard packed surface, if you clear all the snow off of it so the tracks are just running on the surface, I find that the tracks get pretty minimal traction, and you almost need a layer of snow below the tracks to get traction. That's kind of more what it's built for. But this is really good for your hard surfaces like a real plow truck would be, and this is really like a real snowcat. Like you wouldn't see this plowing a parking lot. You definitely could with the Kyosho Blizzard. You can plow hard surfaces and it'll work, but if you're gonna be doing just that, I'd recommend a plow truck. If you're in the market for a track type vehicle, check out the Spiker Cat and the Kyosho Blizzard. Spiker Cat's definitely more expensive, but I think it's a higher build quality for sure. But anyways, that's my 2 cents. This is off-road terrain, deep snow, not necessarily hard-packed surfaces. This is great. This is great on hard-packed surfaces, and once you get into the really deep snow, it's not going to be doing so great. I run tire chains on my truck in the snow, not when I'm plowing though. I like to have just the rubber contact with the hard surface when I'm plowing, because the chains, they just kind of slip. So anyways guys, if you're already in the hobby, you already have a scale truck, you already have, you know, just a scale truck, a crawler. I've seen it done with faster trucks, which you definitely can. But there's a few options. Look up snow plows. I have an RC 4-wheel drive snow plow. I know there's definitely a few options out there, so look around, see what fits you. Build your own plow. Lots of people do. I didn't build my own yet, at least, but I would definitely like to someday. So this is probably a good option if you're already in the hobby, already have a truck. Just add the plow. You'll be doing good. Set it up for the winter. Stiffen up the front suspension. This is a whole new rig you're gonna need. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave your opinion in the comment section below. Which do you prefer? But anyways guys, I'll see you in the next video.